This question is about fractions of a circle. Testing, testing, testing. This question is about fractions of circles. And the idea here is that fractions of circles remain consistent regardless of which aspect of the circle you're talking about. So if I have a certain number of degrees for the central angle, that's a fraction of the 360. And if I have an arc of the circle, which is like saying a piece of the pizza crust, that's going to be a certain fraction out of the whole circumference. And last but not least, if we have a sector of a circle, which is like the area of a pizza slice, that is going to be a fraction of the whole area of the circle. And of course, circumference is 2 pi r, and the area is pi r squared. Regardless of which one we're talking about, what we're always arranging is the part over the whole as it relates to the angle, the circumference, or the area. So now in this question, the fraction we're talking about is the idea that x is 100. So that's 100 degrees out of the whole 360 degrees of the circle. And we're also told that the arc that pertains to that piece of the circle, so that part of the pizza crust, has a length of 5 pi. And that's 5 pi out of the whole circumference of the circle. So now we have a proportion that we can cross multiply. We can say 100x equals 360 times 5 pi, and we can start solving this out. 360 times 5 is 1,800. 100x equals 1,800 pi divided by 100 on both sides, and x equals 18 pi. So this 18 pi we just found, that's the whole circumference. Now thinking about the circle, the whole circumference is 18 pi. If the red arc had a measure of 5 pi from the beginning, that means that this blue arc on the opposite side has to fill out the 18 pi. It has to have a length of 13 pi, because 13 pi plus 5 pi gives you 18 pi. And so what's the length of arc ABC? It's 13 pi.